Welders are well needed. Not only is it just a career to me, it's something that I love. I'm going to actually enjoy going to work because I know that I have a project that I'm doing and I can be proud about it. My name is Alexus Jordan. I am a graduate from Tidewater Tech for combination welding. So I was lifeguarding for the city of Norfolk, but as time went on, I knew I was getting older. That wasn't a career that I knew that I could take care of myself and my family. And I was interested in welding, so that's when I started calling around, trying to see about different programs. And when I called the school, they actually had a program starting up. That worked out perfectly. As I was walking through the lab, everybody was saying hello, good vibes. So it made me feel like this is where I wanted to be. They do the safety aspect first. That's the first thing we've ever done. Safety, safety, safety. Once you got past the safety, they showed us how to set the machines up, set the tanks up for when we were cutting. First day I came in here, I didn't know how to strike an arc or anything. One of the instructors basically stayed in the booth with me that whole day. Everything is definitely hands-on. We have great instructors here. I made sure that I came in here and got the education and the hands-on experience that I needed. Do I feel like I can go out there and be successful in this field? Yes, I do. I have an amazing wife. She was very supportive. I have my mom. Everybody's backing me. Just lets me know that they care. And if you want to do something hands-on, this is perfect. Don't just look at the money that you could possibly make. Actually enjoy what you're doing. And for the women, don't be afraid to get out there and get dirty with the guys. You show them that you work just as hard as them and can put down just as good welds as them. They are going to respect you. This was the best thing I could ever done with myself.